This is Japet Boy version of curry. Hannah and Sophia like this. Ganito ako magluto ng curry. Yeah, delicious later. Okay. Okay. Umambon, malamig ang panahon. Ngayon ko sana bubungkalin to. Pero umambon naman. Hindi naman niya nagmamadali. So ipagpaliban muna natin. So ito yung panahon pag autumn na. Parang hindi na magandang panahon. Umuulan na palagi. So at least nakapagluto na ako. Actually yan ay hapunan ni Hannah pag uwi niya mamaya. At si Sophia nandito sa bahay. Medyo may iniindang karamdaman. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, pagpahinga mo na yan, hindi ko na pinapasok sa school. At least makapag-recover talaga siya. So, andito siya sa bahay, pero yung homework niya, ginagawa niya. Pinadala sa kanya ng teacher yung kanyang homework. So, andito, nasa kwarto, gumagawa ng kanyang homework. So, hi, baby. Happy Monday. Are you better now?
Yeah, but it really hurts.
Still hurt.
Because basically what they did is I had an infection, so they had to cut it and take everything out.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was like
we were in the hospital.
It was like a mini operation.
Yeah.
It was like 10 minutes operation.
We were in the hospital emergency last night, 9 o'clock. But everything about Sophia is okay now.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a bit like painful, so she needs to stay home and.
I have the bandage too.
Yeah. Yeah, but she's okay. Yeah, she had a little operation last night, but she's okay. She's a brave girl. Yeah. How's Sissy? How's Sissy? Yeah. So, Pinky, are you hungry? Food is ready.
Okay, later then.
Later?
Yeah, what time is it?
So, what homework are you doing?
Basically, it's about, I don't know what to explain. It's like vertebrates, invertebrates, exoskeletons, endoskeletons, but like it's not like the simple ones. Like they're very complicated because I don't get it. I really don't get it. I don't think this type of thing is really my thing.
All right. Hi, Sissy. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You wanna eat now? Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come. Come on. Put him. It's it now. Put him. Chicken curry ni Tata Japit boy.
Mexican.
Yeah, mix it with rice like that.
My arm kind of hurts. The other one. And this is not my right hand that has the infection.
Yeah.
I haven't had this in 1 year.
Because we didn't have ingredients here. So when we went to England, I bought all ingredients that I needed. So in here, I'll show you. Okay, where is it? Like this. Garlic and ginger puree. But I bought a lot. Hannah keep it. I bought a lot. I bought curry. I bought see here. I bought a lot, no? Yeah. So I could cook curry and yeah. In here you cannot find. I think you can find here the garlic puree, but ginger puree, no. So what can you say?
Nice.
Very nice, right? Hannah loves so much this kind of curry. There's so many kind of curries version, but she loves most this one. So yeah. Okay, enjoy. Kasi it's raining outside. You cannot go out anyway. How about you, Sissy? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna eat as well. But my food is the leftover Bicol Express.
Yeah?
Yes. The amazing Bicol Express. Yeah. Puminto yung ulan. Kaya pwede na ako mag-umpisa magtrabaho rito. Kahit 1 oras lang. Tapos tatapusin ko bukas. Tamang-tama, kakakain ko lang. Para matunaw yung ating kinain. So 1 hour. Ito, bubungkalin ko to. Okay, let's go. Tapusin natin to. Si Sissy, oh. Hindi matigas bungkalin kasi umulan at malambot yung lupa, kaya easy-peasy. So dandahan lang. Siguro operation ko dito mga 2 oras. So 1 araw, 1 oras. Okay. Ganito, lumabas na yung init, lumabas na si Haring Araw. So, dandahan lang yung pagkatapos mong kumain para yung blood sugar mo ay bumalik sa normal. Kasi pag kumakain ka, yung sugar, nag-iipon ka ng sugar sa katawan. Kaya gamitin yung mga lakas para ayos. Yan. Okay. So, ganito lang dito. At mahaba pa to. Hindi naman minabadali ito kasi hindi naman gagamitin kagad tong lupa. Pinapabungka lang para at least yung mga ewan ko, yung siguro yung ng taba ng lupa para talagang lumabas. Tapos tatambakan ulit ito ng compost. Kung maalala nyo nung nakaraang taon, ganun dun ang ginawa namin. So pagbungkal, tatambakan ng compost para parang yun ang abono. Yeah. Diba? So easy peasy. Hindi minabadali yung trabaho, slowly lang. At least mayroon talagang gagawin bawat araw. So yan, tapusin ko muna to hanggang siguro hanggang dito sa puno, straight dito. Okay, and beyond this tree, bukas naman dito. Yan lang. Ganun na simpleng buhay. Mamaya pa uwi si Hana. At least pagdating niya sa bahay, may makain siya. Kasi nakapagluto na ako. So si Sofia, nagpapahinga sa loob. Pag pinawisan ka na, hindi na malamig. Kanina nagja-jacket ako kasi medyo malamig. Pero nakapag-start ka na makapagpapawis, okay na. So shout out sa mga taga Fremont boys. Shout out sa mga taga Grafico boys. Okay, hindi ko na isa-isahin ang pangalan nyo para ang dami nyo kasi. Okay. At sa Philippines ka Barrio Fiesta, shout out din kay Ambassador Ed. Kung nanonood kayo ng inyong misis sa vlog na ito, shout out sa inyong dalawa. Salamat po. Napakabuti nyo at napaka-accommodating yung tao. Sana dadami pang lahi nyo. Okay, let's go. Continue working. Ayun, tinapos ko na. Hindi ko na kinalahati. Talagang tinapos ko hanggang doon sa dulo. Hanggang dyan lang yung boundary niyan eh. Tapos ibang pananim naman doon. Usually mga bulaklak yan doon yung hindi ko nabungkal. So yun, tinapos ko. Bago umulan. Ambo na naman. Buti na lang at bago mag-umpisa yung ulan uli, natapos ko siya. At least yung mission order of the day ay natapos ni Japit Boy. So malamig na naman. So okay, madali naman bungkalin kasi malambot yung lupa. Tama, pinagpawisan talaga ako. Dami ko pa naman kinain na kulats, yung tinapay ng check. Okay, it's 5:40. Sophia's dinner. What's that, Pinkay?
It's basically rolik with cheese.
Rolik with cheese
And tea.
and tea. Mine is smoked na pork, then tinapay, and then Hana is on the way home. Tapos nagsaing ako ng kanin para sa kanya. Mainit pa to. Ito yung kanyang kakainin. What?
You can smell curry. It's almost eaten.
You take your rice?
Yeah. My saliva.
What about your saliva?
It's drooling. Gonna have a lunch tomorrow. My work. So delicious.
You can really appreciate this kind of dish if you mix it with rice.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot. Now I know why our friend asked for recipe. But I have also recipe because what if happens something to you? You're gonna have amnesia. So who is gonna make this dish for me?
That's impossible what you're talking.
I mean, it's not. I mean, if you grow old, then you can get it. Yeah.
I think this is really your favorite food that I cook, right?
One of the favorite, yeah.
And which one is the first one?
I like beefsteak Tagalog.
Okay, and then this one?
And this one, yeah. And pancit. I can't give you because it's too spicy. Even the pepper is delicious there.
Okay, so that's it for today.
Thank you, darling.
Thank you for watching, guys. Yeah. Bye for now. Bye, Pinkay.
Spicy.